Imagine growing a giant pumpkin and actually winning the competition. The strange part starts after the victory. In the world's biggest pumpkin contests, winners are often asked to cut open their pumpkin as part of the process. The reason is simple. These pumpkins become far too massive to handle normally. Farmers usually need chainsaws to open them, and sometimes it takes two people just to split one apart. And if you're curious about what's inside, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Some are so enormous that an adult person could even fit inside. But this isn't done just for show. The real treasure is the seeds inside.